भागना चाहता हूँ, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं गिरना चाहता हूँ, बस मैं
रुकना नहीं चाहता।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं पूछना था, ये स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था। ये मुझे बताया नहीं था, मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है।
Hi everyone, welcome to Vaishnavi's chat box. Today we have Tanvi with us. So welcome to the channel, Tanvi.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi.
A little bit about her. She is a commerce graduate and currently she is pursuing her MBA in banking and financial services from Tapni Manipal. And today we'll be discussing about fintech and automation with her. So I'll be asking her 3 questions. So we'll start.
Yeah, sure.
So my very first question to you is, do you think fintech will replace traditional banking or not?
Yes, definitely. Fintech is transforming the customer experience, but I don't think that fintech can replace the traditional banks entirely, because traditional banks have this advantage of customer relationship, regulatory support, and trust, which fintech definitely lack. Instead, we can see a hybrid model emerging wherein the traditional banks rely on fintech solutions in order to enhance the customer experience, and the fintech rely on the traditional banks in order to enhance their scalability and compliance. For example, Google Pay and Phone Pay, they do provide us seamless digital payment transactions, but they do rely on traditional banking for account linking and funds transfer via UPI.
Okay, so I feel that's a great perspective, and hybrid models are definitely a way forward. So, and I also feel that it's more like a collaborating thing rather than competitive. So, yes. And then I have a follow up question on this. So, do you think that are banks ready for AI and automation currently?
Banks are definitely leveraging AI for various processes like loan approvals, risk management, fraud detection, and personalized banking services. However, they still face challenges with respect to legacy systems and regulatory concerns. And when it comes to large banks, they are still leading with when it comes to AI driven automation, but small banks are still facing hurdles in implementation.
Okay, so I feel that AI is the future, but then
Yeah.
still, even now, traditional bankings hold a very powerful position,
Yes.
and integration with AI will make the things better and the operations more efficient, I feel. So let's skip to the good part now. So we'll be discussing your MBA experiences. So the next question that I wanted to ask you is, what is the most unexpected thing that you have learned during your MBA?
Well, I wouldn't say that it's an unexpected experience. Neither would I say that it's very personal to me. I think a lot of us would relate with me here, because a lot of us, and in fact, all of us have worked with different working groups, fast groups, and outside of ACADS, we have worked with different clubs and committees and various case competitions and other extracurricular activities where we were part of different groups of different sizes. We work with different people who have different strengths, weaknesses, and different perspectives, which has given us an understanding of how a team works and how to utilize the strengths of each and every member. I think that experience would be unique, and not only MBA, I feel that every college which gives you an opportunity to work with different teams will help you understand your strengths better and will give you a perspective about teamwork and will teach you team leadership and
Okay, Tanvi, that's a great learning, and I feel that working in a group is to learn how to deal with different kind of people is very important, and it also prepares us for the corporate world. It is going to help us in future when we
Yes.
start doing our jobs. So I think it's a great learning at your end.
definitely.
So we come to the final and the third question of this video.
Finally.
My final question to you is, what's one piece of advice that you would like to give to the juniors?
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. I would suggest everyone to be very open to having new experiences, learning different things. be very open minded, don't miss out on any opportunities, make mistakes, learn more about yourself, identify your strengths, weaknesses, have beautiful experiences, enjoy the college life, and even outside college life. Basically, I would say, I would ask you to follow this rule by Bunny, which is मैं भागना चाहता हूँ, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं गिरना चाहता हूँ, बस मैं रुकना
रुकना
नहीं
नहीं
चाहता.
चाहता.
Yes.
Okay, Tanvi. So it was a great conversation with you. We finally come to the end of this video.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for your insights. I hope that it would be useful to a lot of people out there. So, would you like to say anything in the end?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं पूछना था, ये स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था. ये मुझे बताया नहीं था, मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है. नहीं.
Okay.
No. Thank you for having me here, Vaishnavi. It was a good experience being a part of your channel.
It was fun shooting with
Yeah,
you.
it was fun shooting with you. Yeah, that's all.
So, yeah, we'll meet next time. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.